Hey there friends, it is Sprinter van road trip time. We are heading out to Sedona, Arizona, so stay tuned for some fun videos from there. But first we need to check our fluids, and more importantly, we need to refresh our windshield wiper fluid here in the van. So let's go ahead and walk through it step by step. So first things first, we need to pop the hood in order to get to the windshield wiper fluid. Our little lever is located over here. You pull on this black lever, that'll pop the hood. Up front, there is a little tab that you push right underneath the hood there. We're gonna lift it up, and then we do need to make sure those little side brackets lock in there to hold the hood up. Okay, once we have it up, we're gonna find our windshield wiper fluid intake right here on this side of our engine. Again, we've got a 2012 2500 Sprinter van. This may be a little bit different based off of the model that you have, but you're looking for this specific symbol. Again, fairly easy to spot once you have the hood up. Okay, now these things do get a little bit brittle. You can see that ours has been falling apart for a while. I've been meaning to get in here and just take this apart. We're gonna have to put a temporary cover over here for our road trip, but we'll put that off to the side. If you guys need additional covers, you can find these in places like Amazon. I'll put some links in the description box below if I find something. We are now ready to pour some more washer fluid here into our reservoir. So this whole white piece down here is our reservoir. You can see where that line is, where our current washer fluid has been filled up to. So we've got a good amount still in here. I'm actually going to put some more in, and we'll get it up to an area right around here as our fill line. Again, you can fill these up pretty far, but again, just for safety purposes, we usually leave a little bit of space down here. So let's go ahead and put some more washer fluid in. Now, one of the things that's also really helpful is to have a little funnel like this that you just keep in your van. You put it down like this, and this just gives you a nice extra splash guard when you're putting fluid down in. Again, I'll put links for this in the description box below. Okay, so here is the windshield washer fluid that we are gonna use. This is super cheap, less than $5 at your local auto parts store. You can get it at Walmart, or you can actually order it from Amazon if for some reason you do live remote. Now, remember to look at the negative degree protection. If you live in someplace super cold, this is what you need, something that goes way down. Again, what this does is it prevents it from freezing inside your lines and creating a whole mess. This is why you use windshield washer fluid instead of just water. You don't want it to freeze. Okay, we're just gonna push the fluid right through the funnel there. You can see it makes the job a lot easier. Again, that funnel's not necessarily needed, but if you don't have a steady hand, it does help to prevent all sorts of extra spillage. You can see the fluid slowly rising there in the reservoir. We're gonna bring it up just a little bit further. That should be about good for us. All right, friends, that about does it. Remember to take your funnel out, put your cap back on before you close the hood, and you should be ready to go. Again, super simple, super short video. Hope that helps some people out there. If it does, hit that thumbs up button for us. Subscribe, because we got a ton more of these Sprinter van tutorial videos coming up, and those will be released soon. We'll see you again on the next one.